welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is going about her business and she's talking um, about stuff. You know, she's always talking about her business and da 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 da. Now she's on to her nails and other things. So go ahead and catch the video, guys. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a wonderful morning.
For your mercy never failed me in all my days. I've been held here in your arms from the moment that I wake up until I lay my head. I will sing of the goodness of God. And all my life you have been faithful, all my life. And all my life you have been so, so good. And every breath that I have taken, I will sing of the goodness. Da 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 da. You will lead me through the fire to the darkest time. Da 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 da. I know you as a father. I know you as a friend. Da 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 da. Da dee 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 dee. Good afternoon. How are you? How are you doing? Are you enjoying your Florida? How is the birthday girl doing? And all my life you have been so good. How is the birthday girl doing? Good afternoon, good afternoon. How is the birthday girl? What I couldn't have left me a piece of blonde wiggy. It said blonde is a girl best friend, honey. You think how white people alone can't wear blonde wig? Black people born with blonde hair. Yes, me dear. Blondes get all the fun. Me love blonde hair. Me I wear blonde hair for years. Years and years. Me don't like black hair, to tell you the truth. Me love my little blonde hair. One day one man cussed me if you trying to be Caucasian. No, I ain't trying to be no damn Caucasian or whatever. Black people have blonde hair too. We have heavy hair. So, what's the difference? What is the difference, honey child? I am on my way to do some shipping and some selling. Remember, me have sheets and sale and me have bathroom mat. So come on and get the bathroom mat. I'm going down to my storage. Me I go early today. Me I go down to my storage. Laddie. No, sir. I want me to go garlic there. I want me little garlic peg there. I want me little kalanga water. What me garlic have kalanga water? Good day. How are you? My jaw, they look a little fat. Oh, my jaw, they look so fat so. Oh, my jaw looks a little fat. Me mix. I want me little garlic peg there. I want me little garlic peg. You see, I go early today because then catch me. I mean, go down there daytime. So, yes, my dear. Oh, oh, oh. Look at the Ebayan there. The Ebayan say, work your money, bring it come. It just a fling so. Work your money, bring it come. Like, work the money, bring it come. 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 And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so good. So I'm just going to do some little shipping, and then I have to go do some packing. If you are going over there, so you're going over there, so you just watch the hair nice, so. Yes, my child. So our today is Tuesday or Wednesday? Our today or Wednesday? Our Tuesday, which day? I can't forget about the day nowadays. I just go with the flow to rotted. I not even check for our today day. Today or Tuesday or Wednesday? Can't me not even know what day. Huh? Our today what? I not remember anymore, to tell you the truth. I don't even remember. Today or Tuesday? It couldn't be Wednesday. Like a week look down look faster. No, sir. Month just a drag out, so. So my birthday month can come. So my birthday, February is in the house. Yes, today Wednesday. Today I'm not tracking Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday and Wednesday. So my birthday month can come. Anybody going to see Bob Marley movie? Me say Bob Marley movie. Me I tell you say Bob Marley all depend on some boss. I would have put them to play Bob Marley. I would start and put them to play Bob Marley. I would play Bob Marley. Because then if you go to Jamaica get someone to play Bob Marley, I would have put them to play Bob Marley. Then I would put in there. Me want to know if they couldn't go to Jamaica to I would put in there. February 3rd. Okay. And Bob Marley at the 6th. So, I wouldn't put to play Bob Marley. I wouldn't put it there. Then could go to Jamaica find one nice looking Rasta man. Because you know they couldn't put the sun. But they could have find one nice good looking Rasta man to play him. And I see a whole heap of nice dread we could have play him, you know. I wonder how wouldn't put to play him. How where the backside here tell me say? What at piece of sitting? Couldn't a liar tell? From where away? No, sir. A big slap in her face that. A big slap in her face that. With all them good looking Rasta man when I see a yard. And all them upcoming artists when I see a yard where sitting. From Trinidad. You tell me now. You sure? All them the nice looking Rasta man up above hill. All them the upcoming Rasta artists let me see. What are we the post office full? Backside. Oh, it's post office full. The post office full. You know, sir, they'll cut me here this weekend, you know. Okay, let me go drop off this thing. Okay. Let me stretch. I must say lie, tell me. Them not put one movie star. Then couldn't put Travis, Travis, the big movie star, a big singer. Well, we mix. I him them should have put to play Bob Marley. Him not do good. Travis him name. His mother was the woman from Jefferson. Oh, that girl is not at the post office. Me not got the post office now. Huh? The guy when named Travis, that we used to marry to the girl from the Cosby Show, and his mother was Lenny Crap. Yes, him could have played it. Him would have be him could have played it. Yes, cause him good looking and nice. I mean, him could have played Bob Marley. Yes, and yes, him could have played Bob Marley. And how did that one name? Them a prepare them. Then now wear jacket. And when cold, take them backside. Let me go drop off. Let me go drop off this. Let me go drop off that something. Somebody instruct me to left something somewhere. So let me go drop it off. Well, me glad said, I saw them tell me to drop it off. Let me see if I get one plastic bag, put it into. Hello, my fingernail want do. All who could say, "Uno can't do my fingernail for me. My fingernail for do." So me cash up here. If uno can't feed the homeless, me a homeless. Uno can't feed me too. So my fingernail want do. So me cash up if you do my fingernail. All who want see Marcia fingernail do. Uno can't make to the pass and me do my nails. So me cash up here. Can me hear about this one more time. See there? See me cash it happy if do my fingernail. See there? My fingernail well want do. This a one here pop. This a one here popping too. And this a one here popping too. So who wants to me nail do? Send the money come to cash up for do it. Cause remember say Marcia, I live in my car, I don't live nowhere. So if them say if people cannot collect